I joined Speed to focus on the guidelines and all the latest updates, and then to attempt as many MCQs you can, depth knowledge of that topic. So that helps you a lot.
I bring in all the wishes and greetings on behalf of all the faculty members of Speed Medical Institute and Institute of Speed to Dr. Brijesh Kumar Saini for scoring a topmost rank of 39 in DM Pulmonary Medicine Group. Congratulations to you, Doctor.
Thank you so much, sir.
So great to have you in the session, and thank you for your time allocated for this to share your valuable experiences with us and to the students watching this video. And best wishes, and also thank you for that. And can we know a brief background from where you started till date, what all you have accomplished?
So I belong to a small town near Jaipur. Then I did my MBBS from West Bengal, a government medical college, Bankura, Shamilani, from 2014 to 2020. Then I joined my DNB respiratory medicine at Fortis Hospital, Noida, followed by SRship in Fortis, Noida, and AIIMS Rishikesh. And now I'm SR in the Medanta Hospital, Noida.
Great. Very nice. Wonderful achievement and accomplishment so far. And when did you get the interest to make a super specialty in DM pulmonology? At what point you thought, okay, I should work for it?
Like from the very beginning of the residency, I was clear in my mind that I would like to do super specialty.
Very good. Very nice. Excellent. So once you decided to do so, what were your preparation strategy? How did you prepare to achieve this topmost rank?
My preparation strategy was simple, just focus on the basics, like from the beginning of the residency to focus on the books, guidelines, and all the latest updates, and then to attempt as many MCQs you can attempt.
Great. Now, I want to ask you about the paper. What was your opinion on the paper? What did you feel about the paper? What was the orientation of the paper of the topics they asked? And how many questions were you able to answer in this question paper?
I didn't check actually how many right I got, but I think the paper was mostly like it was like clinically focused. The limited portion was like fact based. So if you do your work well and follow the guidelines, then you can attempt and can have a good rank. So just have to like focus on the guidelines and all the clinical scenarios, and that helps you like secure a good rank.
Excellent, excellent. So what is the message that you want to give to the students who are appearing for the future exams of DM pulmonology aspirants?
Yeah, from the residency, just focus on the your like core materials. First, mastery of subjects, from like books, guidelines, all the latest updates, and then go to the MCQs and all these preparatory materials like in form of like coaching and other things. But you have to have your basis like covered. To just you don't rely on the like the PPTs straight away. And even if you are like making PPTs, and make it yourself. That way you have a depth knowledge of that topic. So that helps you a lot, like when you are like appearing in a entrance exam.
Who introduced speed to you and how you got into speed and what was your experience of preparation of speed for this exam?
Yeah, so actually I belong to the same area where Dr. Pauja practices. So like it's just like nearest to like 10-15 kilometers from uh, here. So we usually got to meet like in few of like clinical meets, and then there are like Delhi AIIMS conducted this Pulmocrate. So I got to meet sir there, and then I joined Speed
Okay,
from there.
great. So was the material of the faculty of pulmonology of speed was useful for you for this exam?
Yes, definitely. It it filled the gaps where I had like in last attempt of the INI, I went to the interview, the next to the last list, but this time I got rank. So then again I went back to the like materials and then studied.
Very good, very nice. Great, congratulations. And what time to thank and whom all you want to thank? Do you feel that they have stood by you from day one till date? You can use this platform to thank all of them.
Yeah, all my teachers, they had a like trust in me and all the blessings, and then my family, basically they are like my pillar of strength from the day one when I joined. Like I had a like dream of to become a doctor. So from the day one, my parents, my brothers, sisters, and then my fiance.
Great. Wish you once again all the best and all the success for a great and wonderful career as a DM pulmonologist. and to touch upon many lives and save many lives. Best wishes to you, doctor.
Thank you so much, sir. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Have a nice day.